I decided to attend Drone Command Live because I just got fired about a week ago from my job. And I'll tell you right now, I am looking for something brand new that I never really thought I would do, but love flying a drone. And that's the reason that I came to Drone Command Live is I don't want to work for somebody else anymore. I'm 59 years old. And let me tell you, it's amazing to know that a week ago I was not working and today I'm attending Drone Command Live. Biggest takeaway from Drone Command Live is just the fact that it's so interactive. It's so cool to hear both speakers, Diego and, of course, the drone boss, speaking about drone business and not just saying, you know what, here's your drone, go out and fly it, but teaching you the marketing, how to fly, the drone the right way, things like that. And I have to say, from a standpoint of just a review, 5 stars across the board so far. I'm very impressed with everything I've heard so far. I would highly recommend if you even think about starting a business of your own, Drone Command is definitely a place to start. And looking forward to the next 3 days. And it's great just attending virtually because what's nice about virtual is you can actually learn at your own pace, but in the same respect, know for a fact you don't have to drive to a location. You don't have to pull out all sorts of pen and paper and things like that. Just be able to learn at your own pace. So I really appreciate Drone Command Live 100%. As again, I highly recommend it. And I hope everyone will participate in Drone Command Live. I look forward to the next 2.5 days, guys. Thank you very much. Again, have a good day.